morning. This is Twiggy. And she's looking for a home, aren't you, Twiggy? You're not looking for my slipper. Leave that alone. There she is. She's very lively. And as you can see, she's a bit mouthy. But she's a good girl. Aren't you? Very clever girl. Yes? And she can relax sometimes, can't you? You're always bouncy. There she is. Posing for the camera. No, no. What are you thinking about, Twiggy?